Today we are going to be making orange scented bath salts. Orange bath salts are super uplifting. They are the perfect addition to a bath for any time you need a little uplifting, a little pep in your step. So we are going to start this recipe with 1 cup of Epsom salts, and I just spilled a bunch everywhere, which is fun. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of pink Himalayan salt, but any kind of coarse salt you have will be fine. Then I'm going to add half a cup of baking soda. All right, all our dry ingredients are in the jar, so we're just going to shake it up to mix it. All right, our dry ingredients are mixed. Now let's get started with the oils. Now in a separate container, we are going to add 20 drops of sweet orange essential oil. All right, now we're gonna add 1 ounce of jojoba oil. Any carrier oil you have will be fine. To the essential oil, and 1 ounce is equivalent to about 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And then we're just gonna mix that together, kind of swivel it together just to infuse the sweet orange oil into the jojoba oil. All right, now we're going to mix the sweet orange oil, infused oil with the salts. And we're gonna shake that and mix it up as well as we can to get that oil evenly distributed. All right, and finally, we are going to add half a cup of dried orange peel just to give it a little, herbal kick. And again, we're just gonna shake that up to mix it. And that's it. That's all you really need for bath salts. And you can modify this recipe any way you'd like. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button.